A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Me glad to see you, see. And would I like you to no miss none of what I go on that channel here. So just press the subscribe button if you not do it yet. And the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So. And also make sure to share it with somebody who need to hear the word here today. Me go read from the good news about Jesus as according to John from verse 37 to verse 53. On the last and biggest day of the hot holiday, Jesus get up and bawl out pan top of him voice. If nobody thirsty, make them come to me for sit and for drink. What God would say going happen to the people who believe in me. It say, so river with water will give life, I go run out of them. No, when him said that day, him did a talk about the spirit where the people them were trusting in him would have get later on. Cause up to that time there, nobody never get the spirit, cause Jesus name get big up yet. When some of the people them in the crowd hear what Jesus say, them say, for real, the man ya are the prophet. Some other ones say, are the Christ this year. But he did still have somewhere that ask. No, sir. Because the Christ not come from Galilee. Not true. God would not say that the Christ going come from David family and from out of Bethlehem, the town where David did live. So the people them did split up over where them think about Jesus. Some of them did want to hold him to lock him up. But nobody named put them hand upon him. When them were guard God house, go back to the head priest them and the Pharisee them. The head priest them and the Pharisee them ask them say, when me couldn't not carry him come? The guard them say, nobody never ever talk like how that man ya talk. So the Pharisee them say, you mean say a trick or not too? None of the Jew ruler or Pharisee them believe in him, eh? No. But that full crowd of people here, we don't know nothing about the law. Bad blessing upon them. Then Nicodemus, the one where did God Jesus before that time, yeah, and where did in a group ask them say, will allow if we judge nobody and say that they're guilty before we hear from them first to find out what them a do? But them said to him, say, you not come from Galilee too. Go through God's word and see for yourself. No prophet never ever come out of Galilee yet. After that, all of them got a yard. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.